Transport your taste buds with just a handful of ingredients and less than 30 minutes to make these lamb kebabs with spiced rice. To get started, preheat a greased frying pan, add the red onion and cook until it's soft. Then add the spice mix and rice and stir until the rice is well coated in the spices. Add the water. Allow the mixture to come to the boil, then reduce the heat to low. Cover with a tight-fitting lid and cook until the rice is tender and the liquid is absorbed. While the rice is cooking, cook the kebabs in an oiled, large frying pan, turning until browned all over and cooked through. Take the lid off the rice and stir in the frozen peas. Pop the lid back on and set aside to allow the peas to steam. When you're ready to serve, spoon the rice onto a large serving platter and top with the cooked kebabs. Now, watch everyone dive in and devour these tasty lamb kebabs with spiced rice.